How to create an HEB account online. Need an HEB account for grocery shopping, curbside pickup, or delivery. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to create your HEB account online in a minute. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to the official HEB website. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner, then select create an account from the drop-down menu. Enter your personal information including your first and last name, email address and phone number. Create a secure password for your account, and if you plan to use delivery or curbside pickup, enter your address or zip code to find the nearest HEB store. Now double check the details you've entered, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click create account. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from HEB, so click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in and start shopping for groceries, setting up orders, or exploring HEB services. And that's how you create an HEB account online. Thanks for watching.